Hello everyone, welcome to Shower Honks. Today we are talking about the English festival Bonfire Night. I'm Laura.
Bonfire Night. I'm Kelly.
The drama is begin. Once upon a time, it's about 16th century, there was a man called Guy Fawkes. He was an English Catholic. They have a big plan.
I will kill the kingdoms. He betrayed Catholics. No one knows my plan. I will put the bomb in the house of Torah tonight.
5th December 1605.
Let this house of Torah
Unfortunately, it was unsuccessful. Fawkes was arrested and hanged. After that, it was a festival. It's called Bonfire Night, in order to memorize it.
Today is December 5th, my favorite bonfire night. First I need money. Penny for the guy, penny for the guy. Okay, I have money to buy fireworks. Let's go burn the fire.
Burn the guy! Burn the guy! Burn the guy! Yeah!
Do you know the origin of bonfire night? Do you know me?
Yes, I know. It's you. It's Guy Fawkes' fault.
Yes, it's me.
Okay, it's time to
Say goodbye.